yeah. Okay, yeah. Don't care like Stevie, okay, yeah. I look good, I smell like Dolce, yeah. Rich and independent, okay. I follow my dreams, I follow my gut. I follow your bitch, she follow me back. She calling my phone, they calling her back. You're doing too much, you gotta relax. I woke up this morning and thought to myself, I'ma make money today. I'm chill with nobody but me and myself, cause I cannot fuck with the fakes.
Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. So I am bringing y'all a video on these deep wave cramping irons that I got from Sally's. I like them, they okay. There wasn't the wave that I was wanting, so yeah, but I just wanted to come on here and show y'all how I crimp this hair with these curling irons. They are a good pair of curling irons, but it just wasn't the cramp that I want. So, but I just wanted to show y'all how it works anyway, because they are some good curling irons. And if you guys want them, they are at Sally's. They are the Hot Shot Tools deep wave curling irons. So if you guys want to head on over to Sally's and get y'all some deep wave curling irons, I highly suggest it, because they do work really good. It's just that I just didn't like the wave that it gave me. It kind of gave me a beach wave, and that's not the look that I was going for. So all right guys, so do not forget to like, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. And also, if you're new to my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe to your girl and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss my uploads. And I will see you on my outro. Okay y'all, so I'm done crimping this hair. As y'all can see, it turned out really good, and the curls are really cute. It's just that I don't know, it was just too deep for me. I wanted a more wavy type, and this gave me like a wet beach wave type curl, whatever. But anyway, I'm just laying these baby hairs down. I'm gonna cut this lace off, and y'all are going to see this wig in another video. And also guys, check out the video, because I watercolored this hair with the water dye method or whatever. So go ahead and head over and check that video out, and I will link that in the description bar so you guys can check that out. Yeah, so doesn't it look good, y'all, with that purple background? But anyway y'all, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. If you're new to my channel, like always, subscribe to your girl. Do not forget to turn on the post notifications, and I will see you later.
Okay, yeah. Don't care like Stevie, okay, yeah. I look good, I smell like Dolce,